Construction is booming in Nevada. Casinos, office buildings, and homes are going up everywhere. But in the rush to get these projects completed, many contractors are cutting corners with worker safety. Tragically, over 2,000 construction workers are injured on job sites in Nevada every year. That's where we come in. We defend employees and independent contractors who are hurt at construction sites across the state of Nevada. We work to get you compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. And if your loved one was killed, we'll fight to get you wrongful death compensation. Call us 24/7. We'll arrange for a free consultation over the phone, at our office, at the hospital, or at your home. There's never a fee unless we win your case. Our team of engineering experts, private investigators, and proactive courtroom lawyers is ready to work for you.